Welcome to my YouTube channel where I teach you different means through which you can make money online, be it through digital skills or through online businesses. And today I'll be discussing extensively how to make money online with this newly launched online investment platform called fundmine. Fundmine is one of the best ways to make money online, and for as many who have registered, I congratulate you because you're going to earn big from this great investment platform. Okay, let's go straight to the business of the day. And lest I forget, to enjoy videos like this, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click on the like button. That's the best way through which you can support me. So and I really appreciate your support. And also uh endeavor to share this video so that a lot of people can benefit from it as well. Let's go straight to the business. First thing, when you register and you log in, this is what you are going to see. This will be your dashboard that you are going to see. Now, this is your username. This interface, this dashboard is more or less similar to if you use mobile as well. Just follow the steps. It's still almost the same thing. Okay, so when you scroll down, you're going to see your current balance. Can you see it now? Your current balance is 4,000. And remember, you registered with what? With 3,000 naira. So your current balance now is 4,000, meaning that 3,000 is meant for you to subscribe, while the remaining 1,000 that will be left is your welcome bonus. Okay, now let's subscribe now. You go to, suppose you are using mobile, this side, this left hand side at the top, you're going to see three strokes. Click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see this drop down. Get it now? So you click on plan. You're going to click on plan to load now. So obviously now you've seen plan. So you're going to see 3,000 our fundmine membership, 3,000 naira. Then you click on subscribe. That's simple as that. So you see confirm purchase fundmine membership. Yes. Click on subscribe. Let's wait for it to load. It's still loading. Good one. We've successfully subscribed. Purchase fundmine membership successfully. Can you see it now? Okay, let's scroll down. Can you see now? Our current balance now is 1,000, which is our welcome bonus, and our total invest is what is 3,000 naira. All right. So, like you were told when you were about to stand up, that you're going to be mining every day. You're going to be mining every day, and that mining is what? That mining is 500 naira per day. You can mine through two ways. The first one is using your dashboard. If you see now, you see 0 total clicks, 1 click for today, 0 total clicks, and this is the countdown, the countdown. Now, suppose you want to use this method on this your dashboard, just click on view all. This is one method. So when you click on this view all, you're going to see the task that you're going to perform. And once you perform the task, you'll be given the mining bonus for that day, which is 500 naira. Then if you want to use this other one, suppose you are using mobile, you're going to see what's it called, three strokes here. You click on it, you see this drop down here. Then you click on this PTC, that's paid to click. So when you click on this PTC, you're going to see ads. So you're going to click on this ads. You click on ads. Can you see it now? So you see view now. You're going to click on this view now. So when you click on this view now, it will take you to where you're going to do the task. I don't want to use this one. I want to use the one on the dashboard because that one is just straight to the point. So let me go back to the dashboard. It's still loading. It's still loading. Exercise patience. It will load now. Okay. Now, can you see it now? It has already loaded. Can you see here we have one remain clicks for today. Let's click on this view all. So once you click on view all, we're going to see the task. You know, this was where it brought us to the other time. So that means that it's still the same thing. So you've seen click to mine. Then you see view now. You click on that view now. So once you click on that view now, it will load. This is 0. It will load to 100. Can you see it now? Can you see it now? You wait till the thing loads to 100%. So once it's load, you're going to see the task that you're going to perform. The reason why this is being done is to prevent robots from performing the task. Robots will not, when robots get to this point now, robots will not know the next thing to do. So that is why this task is being included there. So the task that we're going to do here is just simple mathematics. This is 5, this is 8. 5 plus 8. We're going to write the answer here. So 5 plus 8 is what? That's 13. We're going to type 13. Can you see it now? So once I type 13, can you see the color change? Let me cancel the 13 again. Can you see the color was red before? Once I type the correct answer, 13, can you see the color change to green? So you just click on confirm N. Confirm N. So successfully viewed these ads. Can you see it now? Successfully viewed these ads. That means we've already performed the task for the day. So let's go back to our dashboard. Let's go back to our dashboard. Can you see 0 remain clicks for today? That means we've already concluded the task for today and we've already earned. Let's go and see where our earning is. Can you see it now? Then our welcome bonus was 1,000. If you check it now, we now have 1,500 naira, which means that we've already gotten 500 naira for the task of today, which is the mining for today. So we'll come back tomorrow and repeat the same thing. And we'll do the same thing every blessed day. Every blessed day, we'll be repeating this same task. Now, some people might be asking, after getting all this, how will I withdraw and the likes? It's very simple. To withdraw, you just come to this side. If you're using mobile, remember I told you you're going to see 3 strokes here, like a drop down. So once you click on it, you're going to see 3 strokes here. So once you click on it, you see this drop down. So just scroll down. You're going to see withdraw now. You're going to see withdraw now. Now you can either withdraw to your bank or you withdraw to your crypto wallet. But preferably, I will say you should withdraw to your bank. And the withdrawal is very fast. You just click on withdraw now. And you're going to enter the amount that you want to withdraw here. Let's just say 1,500. 1,500. We don't have any money on it, so we can't withdraw now. For mining, you can only withdraw on the 5th, on the 15th, and on the 25th of the month. And the minimum withdrawal for mining is 10,000 naira. And what you have on our account now is 1,500. By implication, you cannot withdraw. I just want to show you how to place withdrawal. Do you understand now? So if this is your first time, not even if this is your first time, this is a normal procedure. You're going to see account name, account number, then your bank details. So you write your account name here, your account number, then your bank name. Then okay, you say minus withdrawal here will lead to account banning. Accept or reject. Okay. The reason why we can't withdraw now is because we have less than 10k. Like I told you, the minimum for withdrawal for mining is what is 10,000 naira. So there's no way we can withdraw now. But I'll show you with another account how to withdraw, because there I already have referral bonus. So we'll see how one can withdraw. So let me log out this account so that I can show you how to withdraw. So let me log out. I've logged out. Okay. So to log in now, I will enter this number as 803223. Okay, since this is not the account. Okay, so let me just log in so that I will show you how you can place withdrawal. Okay, that's good. Let me save. Okay, today's clicks is like I've not done. Okay, 0 remain click was there. I've already done the task for this one, so you can see now. Okay. Now what I'm saying? Can you see? Total referral commission is what is 1,500. That's I've already gotten a referral. So to withdraw now, I just click on withdraw now. Withdraw now. So and I'll click on this one. I'll click on the amount I want to withdraw, which is 1.5. Then I'll click on confirm. So I click on confirm, to ask for the account name. To ask for the account number. And the bank name. Please ensure that your account details is correct. Ensure that your account details is correct. You don't have any issue with this one. You don't have any issue with this. The account name, but this is my account name. This is my account number 06937700590, and I'm using a cell bank. I just click on confirm. Okay, minus withdrawal here will lead to account banning. Accept. You don't need to worry about it. Okay, seems there's an error here. Okay, I must click on accept. So I've accepted. Seems something is wrong. Okay, let me go back to my dashboard. Go back to my dashboard and go back to the referral bonus. Let me click on it. Okay, here it is. Here it is. Not to take much of our time, I will do another video on how to withdraw. It's very simple. There's nothing so difficult in it. So this is how far we're going to go in this tutorial. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more updates through which you can make money, legitimate money online. Thank you very much. I remain Felix Media, and endeavor to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our videos, share our videos, and drop nice comments. Thank you very much. Bye for now.